We are watching today as the George Zimmerman murder trial enters day 22, and today is likely the last day for the defense's case. After the jury left, Tuesday turned into a very late night and a very heated one for both sides.
I'm not getting into this. Court is in recess. I will give my ruling in the morning. I'll see you at 8 o'clock in the morning. Court is in recess. It is 9:56.
And as you can see and hear there, Judge Deborah Nelson was not happy about being in court until almost 10 o'clock last night. Yesterday's proceedings actually went on so long that the courtroom's light, set on an automatic timer, shut off. The arguments were over whether or not the jury should see a 3D animation which depicts Zimmerman's account of what happened the night that Trayvon Martin was killed. Our Ryan Raish is covering this trial right now. He has been live in Sanford every day since opening statements began. And Ryan, the judge made her ruling on that animation this morning.
Yeah, well, after that marathon session last night, the judge went home, slept on it, and then came back this morning and actually ruled in favor of the state in regards to that 3D animation. But in the end, the jury may still end up seeing it. This cartoon-like reenactment, made with the same technology used in blockbuster hits like Iron Man and Avatar, is the defense's theory of what happened that February night. Notice Trayvon Martin in the hoodie straddling George Zimmerman.
The computer animation will not be introduced into evidence, but it may be used by the defense as a demonstrative exhibit.
It's a small victory for the state, but the defense can still show its reenactment in closing arguments. The judge also ruled Martin's text messages can't be brought into evidence. This morning, the attorneys returned with cooler heads, but some tension remains in the final days of this trial. It was a feisty late night of arguments over evidence and accusations that the state is withholding information.
Playing games with us, lying to this court, and now it's our fault.
I would offer him the opportunity right now to apologize to me for suggesting that I stood by silently with information that I did not have.
By 10 p.m., Judge Deborah Nelson had enough and eventually walked out while the defense begged for more time.
Judge, I'm not physically able to keep up this pace much longer.
With the demanding schedule, the judge has made it clear she does not want to sequester this jury any longer than necessary. They may end up deciding George Zimmerman's fate later this week. Now, as part of his bond, George Zimmerman actually has a 10 o'clock curfew, but the judge had to extend that last night because of how late they ended up going. Now, right now, a law enforcement expert is testifying for the defense. It shouldn't be going on that much longer. The defense expects to rest its case today. Live in Sanford, Ryan Raish, ABC Action News.